Hi, in this video we'll learn how to add multiple signature lines in MS Word. First, go to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. Select Draw Text Box and draw a box anywhere on the page. Now type your text inside the box. For example, write "sign" here. You can format this text by making it bold and increasing the font size if needed. Next, place the cursor before the text "sign" here and press Shift_3 times. This will create a straight signature line above the text. By default, the text box will have a border. To remove it, right-click on the border, choose Format Shape, and select No Line. Now the border will disappear. To add more signature lines, simply copy and paste the text box as many times as you want. You can also resize each box by dragging it from the corners and position them wherever needed.